How's it going, everybody? So I'm going to be cutting out this panel right here. I'm going to be cutting out a little bit down there. But as you can see, I already started cutting. It's not a very parallel line. It's straight, but it's not parallel with anything, but it's fine. I'm going to be cutting right along here, all the way up. If it will focus down, okay. It probably won't, but hopefully you guys can see there's goes all the way up to up here, and then there's a line that I'm going to cut all the way to about right there. Probably going to leave this little piece right here, but then I'm going to cut just before the curve all the way down, just so like that. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so I just cut this out pretty square pieces down there. So I'm gonna have to grind this down a little bit. I left this tab right here because it kind of goes to the upper body, as you can probably see. I'm gonna drill through it and just tack weld it or something. Okay, but now I'm gonna cut and grind this down a little bit, and then we're probably gonna flip it over and I'm gonna cut some of those out. Those ones aren't as bad, but still got to cut a little bit out just to make it better. Alright, so I did some more cutting. I took a little piece out of here, the rail, and a little under it because that was all rotted. And that's underneath the box, as you can probably see right there. I also took a little chunk right there out. Alright, so I just cut out my sheet, and I drilled some holes so I can weld through it. And I'm going to tack it up onto that spot right there. Alright, so I welded all these potholes in. Got to just scrape it off, and then I'm going to grind all these down, make it look decent, because this is the bottom and we're going to undercoat it. But you can see up here, let's see where it is. I guess you can't actually see through really too well in the camera. I guess you kind of can right there if it was focused. Yeah, but right there if you can see it. But yeah, there was a couple trouble spots. You know, right here, that was the last one I just welded, so it's hot. A couple down here because I didn't give enough overhang to weld them, but they all turned out, they all got to the body. They all look pretty good, so do like it. I'm gonna grind them down now. Alright guys, so it's been a couple weeks since I last recorded, but I have the whole Jeep flipped over, as you probably could see right here. I already did a little bit of cutting. I cut out the bar or the rails and then this rail, and now I'm just gonna build a piece that goes in right there, and then I'm gonna cut this piece out, build a piece that goes in right there, and then I'm waiting for my dad to build these body rails, but let me get welded on that. Alright, so I got it all cut out, nice seam around the whole thing. Now I'm just going to tack it in. Alright guys, so I finished some welding. I still got a little bit more right down there, and I still got to do the body rails. Then I also have this part, these body rails, and just one more body rail down there. And then the floor pan is done, but I'm going to be calling it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. By next episode, these will all be done. Yeah, if you enjoy this series, please subscribe and watch all the other videos. Thank you. Goodbye.